can't choose Gold Shark. Let's look at that grabber. This can't choose Gold Shark looks like it was my favorite. This is the. Okay, that's the old one. Look at that grabber. Got this truck. Seems like grabber. What is this truck? Oh, it seems like grabber. Oh, it's a different grabber, guys. Guys, look at that new grabber. Oh, this is. I've never. Guys, look at that grabber. Then we got that grabber. That one's my favorite. Then we got backloader. We can't choose backloader. Cause look at that backloader. And we got front loader. Next we got this side loader again. This side loader again. And lastly, not lastly. That one. We got that one. We got that one. And bye guys.